This projector looks already, it seems to be already opened by someone. The MRP of this projector, I bought this projector 16,000 rupees in Amazon, but the delivery of this product, I'm unsatisfied with it because it seems to be already opened by someone and used it. See what is inside of the box. One remote. I guess the star rating for the remote is 3 because some of buttons not working properly. Power button works properly. Settings menu buttons not working properly. Source up button works. Down arrow buttons also works. OK button works. Home buttons also works. Back button. This is audio cable. You can get output for audios from, and also you can input your audios. This is AV cable. You can connect by this. You can connect DVD player and get output of audios and videos. Egate user manual for this projector. Power cable, a normal power cable. Let's see the projector appearance. It looks good. Air blaster light indications. This is focus adjustment. After you power on the projector, you have to adjust the focus and also keystones up and down. This is some buttons given on the top of the projector. Power button, menu button, source button, back button, down arrow, up, left arrow. Here we are getting two USB port, USB port 1, and we also get two HDMI ports. You can connect external Wi-Fi and AV cable, your headset, air blaster. I think this is speaker output, power cable input. You can connect MI box and Amazon Fire Sticks also, because there are two HDMI ports and two USB ports also. You can remove this and clean this. See the model number here, Egate K9 Pro Max Android projector. Adjustment here. You can fix this projector in wall, and also we can project in some of the corner of your room, because in this projector we get 4D keystone correction. Just see the projectors. The design of good. The design of the projector is good. Now I on the switch. After that, you have to power on this projector here by pressing the power button. The projector is on. I am projecting in a small size wall, nearly 6 feet distance. Here you have to adjust the focus and keystone correction. Let me correct the focus and also keystone correction. First I adjust the keystone correction up and down. I centered that. Now I move to the focus adjustment. The picture is not clear yet now. Now I fixed it. It's clear. The picture is clear now. I could see the clear picture. Let's see the remote control. In this projector we are getting IR blaster, so we can use by our team. We can use this remote control as our TV remote. There are several settings options. The menu button is not working properly. The remote control is not good in this projector. Source buttons working. You can connect your hard disk up to 1 GB, 1 DB. I connected in this projector up to 500 GB. I have a hard disk. I connect with this. It works good. Here we are getting Bluetooth settings, and also we have in this projector we have Wi-Fi settings also. In this section you are getting several apps several applications pre-installed in this projector. This back button works properly. System update. Shall we check? This I connected my mobile internet before. Here is the 4D keystone adjustment on, also the zoom option. We can increase and decrease the zoom, the picture size. About the projector. In this projector, model number and software version and the Android version 9.0. In music section, we are getting several type of musics. Here the weather notifications here. Videos and apps. Home button, home section, search. We will see detailed review of this projector in another video. This is a short review about this projector. Thanks for watching.